Welcome to DET Practice. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important sections of the Duolingo English Test, the writing sample. Let me break this down for you. You'll get one writing task per test session when you take the DET. You'll have 30 seconds to prepare and 3 to 5 minutes to write your response. The task is simple. Write about a given topic for 5 minutes. Now, what does the test evaluate? The scoring system focuses on 4 key areas. First, content. The system assesses whether your response is relevant and complete. This includes your use of formal vocabulary, complex grammar, details and examples, and how effectively you communicate your message. Second, coherence. Your writing should be well organized with a clear introduction and conclusion. The system looks for appropriate paragraph structure and proper formatting. Third, grammar. The test evaluates your ability to use varied sentence structures, including both simple and complex sentences, active and passive voice, and different tenses. It also checks grammatical accuracy and proper punctuation. Fourth, vocabulary. The system assesses how diverse and appropriate your word choices are. You should avoid repetitive or overly common words and ensure your word choices are natural and accurate, with correct spelling. Now, let me share 5 key strategies for success. First, always ensure your response is relevant to the prompt. Stay on topic and don't drift into unrelated areas. Second, write as much as possible within the time limit. This gives you more opportunities to showcase your language abilities, but remember to maintain consistent quality. Third, carefully check your spelling and grammar as you write. Errors can significantly impact your score. Fourth, enhance your response with varied vocabulary and expressions. This shows your command of the English language. Fifth, pay careful attention to punctuation. Proper punctuation is crucial for clarity and coherence. Let me show you how this works with a real example. Here's a typical prompt. Do you believe that self-driving vehicles are safer or less safe than human-operated vehicles? Here's what a strong response looks like. I firmly believe that self-driving vehicles have the potential to outperform human-operated vehicles in terms of safety. Autonomous technology is designed to eliminate human errors, which account for the majority of traffic accidents such as distractions, fatigue, and impaired reaction times. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms, these vehicles can make rapid, precise decisions and consistently follow traffic regulations. However, like any emerging technology, the development of self-driving vehicles depends on addressing challenges like system malfunctions and programming ethical responses to unpredictable scenarios. With continued advancements and rigorous testing, self-driving vehicles hold the promise of significantly improving road safety. That's all for today's video on the writing sample section. Remember to follow our channel for more DET tips and practice materials. See you in our next video.